Hello everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Twitch TV. I started streaming on Twitch a couple days ago, so if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description. Here's my channel right here, into StarCraft 542. And the reason I'm doing this, just for fun. And Twitch is a lot easier to stream than YouTube. There's no lag, no drop frames or anything like that, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, short video, just what I've been doing. I've been doing this almost every day. Streaming like an hour or two, not too long. So if you want to come in and watch the channel, watch the stream, I'll tweet it out on Twitter, and if you follow me on here, you'll be notified as well. If you want to help me out, make sure you can donate here. Click the link, goes to the Streamlabs page, or you can follow me on YouTube, which you already are. If you are, you can go on Twitter right here. So I'm just trying it out, see how this works, and it's something fun to do. So I'll probably be playing like Skyrim, the Garry's Mod, Fallout 4. Still trying to get things working without any issues, and I think it's gonna be fun. I tried Minecraft, I'm probably not gonna do that. I don't like doing that. So mostly just Skyrim and Fallout 4, and probably other programs. I don't know yet. We'll see. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.